Ferngully, The Last Rainforest, 1996 VHS. Here's the front, the spine, and the back. A rare treasure of great film entertainment weekly. '20th Century Fox Home Entertainment. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 20th Century Fox.
Fox Family Features. 3 magic words. Your ticket to a whole world of family entertainment. When it says Fox Family Features on the box,
with scenes
here's what you can
from
expect inside.
The Page Master.
I'm a cartoon.
Think what it would mean if I could talk to the animals.
Dr. Doodle, the original Family Features. Family Features. Rookie of the Year. Far From Home, The Adventures of the Yellow Dog.
Whoa, it's a heck of a handshake you got there, Ed.
Edward Scissorhands.
Can I bring the show and tell on Monday?
Babies Day Out.
You ain't gonna crawl away from this one.
Those Not Missing Men and Their Flying Machines. The Sandlot. Once Upon a Forest. Batman the Movie. Breaking Away. Shirley Temple Collection. The Man from Snowy River. Ferngully, The Last Rainforest. Scrooge. And My Neighbor Totoro.
Start the show with a name you know.
Zapow.
Fox Family Features.
Now you can watch everyone's favorites.
Everyone's favorites.
Every time.
Every
Only the
time.
20th Century Fox. Fox Video. The following was a film version that's in the screen. 20th Century Fox. '20th Century Fox presents